Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Teriyaki Chicken Bowl. Chicken thigh pieces are cooked with sweet and salty teriyaki sauce and served over steamed rice. The all-time favorite entree, teriyaki chicken, has now turned into an even more casual dish. This delicious rice bowl will surely be a big hit for everyone from kids to adults. These are the ingredients. Chicken thighs with some fat are ideal for this dish as they are more flavorful, but you can also use chicken breast if you prefer. If you can't find long white onions, you can substitute with brown or yellow onion. You can also add some vegetables like steamed broccoli or snap peas. For more information about ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Let's get started. Cut chicken thighs into square pieces, about 2-inch or 5-centimeter size squares. Sprinkle lightly with salt to season, and coat chicken pieces with katakuriko potato starch, or you can substitute with cornstarch. Remove excess starch and set aside. Cut long white onions into 2-inch or 5-centimeter long pieces, about the same length as the chicken. In a medium bowl, put all the ingredients for the sauce: soy sauce, sugar, mirin, sake, and water. And mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now we are going to cook the chicken. Heat oil in a frying pan at medium heat and cook chicken pieces until nicely browned on one side. Then turn over and cover with a lid and cook until chicken is cooked through, about 3 minutes. Open the lid and add the onions and the sauce and cook for a couple of minutes. Once the sauce has thickened, remove from heat. Serve over steamed rice and pour the sauce. This is optional, but squeeze Japanese mayonnaise over and garnish with shredded nori roasted seaweed. The sweet teriyaki sauce and tangy and creamy Japanese mayo go so well together. This is an easy dish to make for dinner, and it's a perfect bento lunch too.
美味しい。美味しいね。